Hey trailer amigos, how are you? This is Mike from Ocala Trailer. Some of you have pulled all kinds of trailers. Cargo trailers, car haulers, equipment trailers, campers, and many more. Others have never pulled a trailer before. What I have to show you today is something you haven't seen before. That's because this, my friends, is a foldable aluminum trailer. Unfold it and you have the use of a trailer, and when you're done and you have minimal space, you fold it up, tuck it in a corner. Let me show you how easy it is to unfold this trailer. You undo this strap and we pull this pin from down here, set it on the side, and then I just lower the front of the trailer. Once it's lowered, you secure the pin again, and then we go on to the other side. Same for the back. You pull out the pin, set it on the side, and simply fold the trailer back. And then secure the pin. That's it. Before securing the last few safety latches, I want to show you another feature of this trailer. It has dump capability. You just lift up the deck to dump, and then when you're done using that, you lower it. We latch the deck, we connect the lights together, and insert a safety pin across to hold it from opening up. This trailer weighs only 400 pounds, yet it has 1 ton cargo capacity, 2,000 pounds. You can pull this with a golf cart or any small vehicle. These trailers are all aluminum, and they include aluminum wheels, a full-size aluminum spare, all LED lighting, a grated ramp door that bifolds, and you can easily load motorcycles, ATVs, side-by-sides, depending on the size. See, these are available in many sizes. You want a 4x8, a 5x8, a 5x10, a 6x10, and a big 6x12. All of them with about a 2,000 pound cargo capacity. We have quite a few options available for these trailers. For example, lateral transport wheels so you can push it around your garage. A storage cover, make it look nice when it's in storage. High sides that just pop into place. A front deflector to protect it from chips. A liner for when you're carrying dirt or mulch. Canoe rack, and a few other options. Here you can see how those options are in use. And that, my friends, is the Apogee folding trailer, available now at Ocala Trailer in all sizes with all options. Are you ready for your next trailer? Let's hit the road.